Welcome back to her channel!
So for today's video, we're going to watch how Beanie's growth marks OPM's global impact. So ito yung interview sa Billboard Philippines. So hindi ko na ito patatagal kasi ang haba nito. Let's go!
Billboard Philippines.
On this episode of Billboard Philippines Volumes,
Oh my
Beanie
God.
joins us for a conversation about the rise of Filipino
So
music
sponsored ng
on the
Coke.
global stage. Let's turn up the
Look
volume
at
on the
Colette!
nation's
Oh my
Girl
God.
Group. And don't forget
All of
to
them,
subscribe
actually.
for more content like this. This volume's episode is powered by Coke Studio.
Okay, Coke.
Billboard Philippines.
Welcome to Billboard Philippines Volumes, where we turn up the volume on your favorite artist stories. Great artists spark movements.
Ang naaanhan lang ako dito sa Billboard na interview kasi yung last time na interview din nila, yung energy ni Brett, ang baba. Alam mo yun? Parang aantukin ka sa bus. Sorry, Brett, pero...
But great platforms sustain them.
Di ba,
Chill
parang
siyang
gusto.
Working
Ano?
Coke Studio for the past 10 seasons, champion Filipino artists, celebrating their journeys, and bringing Filipino music closer to the rest of the world. Because every great movement needs platforms that believe in the
Di ba?
artist shaping its future. And few artists represent the future more than the group
Naantok
joining
pa man din
us
kami
today.
talaga ngayon.
From selling out arenas
Kasi alam
across
mo
the
yung
Philippines
talaga
and
weather
around the
ngayon.
world to
Oo.
making history at Coachella, Beanie has become one of the most defining success stories in modern Filipino music. Their journey is proof of what happens when extraordinary talent meets opportunity and when an entire nation
Conventional.
stands right behind its artist.
Parang ako lang.
Please welcome back
Pero
to
parang
Billboard
hindi naman ganyan
Philippines
kababa
Volumes,
energy ko.
the nation's girl group, Beanie.
Tinaasan nila yung energy.
Alright.
Oh my God, Gwen!
Billboard
Did you see
Philippines
Gwen?
Women in Music
Later.
Rising Stars 2024.
Wow!
Billboard Philippines Women in Music Women of the Year
Wow.
2025.
Grabe, oh. Ano meron sa
Billboard
hills na
Philippines Women in
yun?
Music Powerhouse
Brett!
Awardee
Brett
2026.
tama, di ba? Brett Jackson.
Billboard Global Force
Oh.
Awardee Sarah G
Taas naman energy.
2024. Billboard
Achievements yan,
Global
oh.
Force Awardee Blackpink Jennie 2025. Billboard
Ah,
Force Awardee Blackpink 2024. Billboard Global Force Awardee Blackpink Jennie 2025. Billboard Global Force Awardee 2026.
Yes! Grabe!
Can you take us back to that moment? What did receiving that recognition at Billboard Global Force Awardee mean to all of you?
Oh my gosh, I don't even know how to explain how mind-boggling
Ganda ng ano
that
nila,
moment
oh.
was for us when we found out
Wait,
that
can we appreciate their
That
beauty?
we-
Like, what the heck is this?
Parang ano, parang,
From
ang tawag dito,
Stacy.
step back pero medyo
Oo.
ano, di ba? Parang ganun yung
body na,
ano,
na,
na parang,
kikay.
oo.
Basta something like that.
Eh parang fashionista ganun
Oo,
na ano.
tinan mo yung hair ni
Oh my
Colette.
God,
Like, what
diba?
the heck?
Diba?
Paano? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
All of them, Gwen, Stacy,
Grabe,
Kitty,
Jo.
parang pagapay.
Oo.
Si Aya, yung kay Mika nga parang ano siya
Boss,
short
ganon.
or parang
Oh.
mahaba lang yung ano niya.
Wow.
Tapos si Shi, si Malu, oh my God, si Colette parang boss na madam
Oo,
na,
oo.
oh my God,
awardee.
pang AU.
And it was such a huge honor to receive that award, and we're so grateful for that recognition, especially that it has been
Her
awarded to
makeup.
many inspiring
Ano?
women.
Black
I
Haba lang
know,
naman.
right? Yeah, so naligaw ata kami.
That night, you described the award as a responsibility you carry with pride. What responsibility do you feel Beanie carries today?
I feel yung responsibility na yun is to be a proud Filipino kasi ano siya opportunity siya for us to represent the Philippines on a global stage, but
Oo,
it is a
parang
big
pagapay.
responsibility kasi parang especially after Coachella,
Nagagaling-galing niya pa lang
na
siguro.
agad ang dami na agad nakatingin
Yep.
for our second week, 'di ba? Parang yung iba siguro inaabangan na anong mas pasabog namin, yung iba inaabangan kung saan kami magkakamali. Ganon. Ayun, it is a
Ganda ni Gwen.
responsibility, but sabi ko nga palagi, if our journey helps one person or helps one artist para mas maging confident sila to go on different stages, different big stages, then feeling ko na nagawa naman namin yung purpose namin. Worth it naman yung
Yes, ang daming
pag-take ng risk.
ang daming nabilib
I mean,
talaga
it
sa
felt
kanila ng
like,
Coachella na yun.
Wow,
At the
ngayon
end
ko
of
na
the day, it
napansin
felt
yung
like a
ano ni
Pacquiao fight.
Aya.
The whole
Oo,
nation
ano, parang
was
bag.
watching.
Oo.
You know, at the
Wow.
same time, and not only the whole nation, but the rest of the
Ganun
world.
ba yung kanina? Ba't parang hindi ko yung napansin kanina? Oo nga.
Wow.
That first
Grabe
week
yung
brought in so
ano
much
Masarap
numbers,
ako.
but then the second
Natatawa
week even
ako.
scaled it up. How does it feel to feel like the world is watching Filipino music at this time?
Siyempre nakakataba ng puso because we started as young girls nga, pandemic
I remember.
babies. Yes. Yes. Pandemic babies na
Pati yung
hindi
tawa ni
namin
Brad.
alam kung saan kami
Ang
dadalhin
nonchalant.
ng journey namin. And now we care so much of
Grabe,
that weight and
visual.
responsibility
Oh my
na,
God.
just like what
Tsaka
Joanna
yung color
said.
nila, parang
Pero
naging tan
at the
sila,
end of the
no?
day,
Oo.
parang we
Baka fresh
just
from breaks
try
nila
to
to.
do what we can and amplify our voices and our God-given voices. So,
Yes.
we always just try.
Cute ni Jo.
Yun
Tinan mo
yung
si Jo.
sinasabi namin actually pag may mga
Try.
may mga interviews, we try. Kasi we're always just open and trying our best talaga.
Actually, if I would describe it po, para kasing before, meron kaming destination talaga. Ito yung plano, ito yung
Yeah.
gusto namin mangyari. Every interviews naman po, lagi namin sinasabi na gusto namin mag-Coachella, sana
Yeah.
mag-Coachella. Pero after Coachella, para na lang kaming nasa boat na nagpapaagos na lang kami, go with the flow. Kasi even us, even Direk Lauren, after nung Billboard na awarding, hindi, patanong siya sa amin, sabi niya, hindi ba kayo nahihilo? Tapos akala ko, yung hilo na sinasabi niya, like physically hilo, na parang bakit po kasi yung ilaw ba? Or dahil ba or dahil ba kinakabahan siya kasi magsi-speech kami in front of those
Yeah.
artists. Pero yung hilo pala na sinasabi niya, parang hindi niya wala na raw sa plan niya yun, hindi niya raw in-expect na mangyayari yun, na nakatabi mo si Tyla, andito lang si Tyla.
Cara Delevingne.
Yes!
Shocks,
I
nangyayari
remember.
siya talaga in real life. Nagaling mga province girls, di ba, nakarating doon.
But it's amazing to hear that because
But it's amazing.
you as a group feel that way, being humble in that way to say,
Alam mo yun,
"Oh,
parang
hindi-
kasi, parang nadadamay tayo sa energy. Parang, alam mo yun, parang wala
Siyempre, as
audience or viewer.
host, ganon, parang kailangan medyo ikaw yung nag-a-uplift ng
di ba?
mood,
Kasi
ganon.
kahit kaming audience, ewan ko kung kami lang, pero dahil gabi na din siguro, pero
hindi ko hindi ko magets
kaya
yung
guys,
amat
I'm
si
sorry if
Kuya.
hindi kami nagsasalita.
si
Kasi na-
Tyla, nandito
Kasi
si
nasa
ano."
mood din kami
Pero
mahiga-higa.
Oo. Tapos
Now on
ganun.
that same level and playing field, like what we said.
We try. Ano ka ba?
I try. Kasi, kilala din natin yung Bini na sobrang kulit, na sobrang high energy, tapos parang yung Bini hindi nila alam siguro kung saan sila mag-high energy kasi
Oo. Kasi
Experience
parang
firsthand
pagka ano
how
nila
platforms
biglang bababa.
elevate artists. From Billboard to global festival stages, how important are platforms like these in helping Filipino artists grow, to tell their stories, and to reach new audiences?
Well, siguro sobrang important siya for us kasi as a band or as a girl group na nanggaling sa isang malaking company, parang we try to give back talaga sa company and parang
Ang
gusto ko
ganda.
siyang i-connect lang sa
Oh
Coke
my
Studio na
God.
parang ginamit namin yung Coke
guys,
Studio
Bini,
for us to
nag-give back nyo
introduce
na yun.
ourselves and music.
Malaki na yung
So,
nag-give nyo sa
grateful kami
ABS.
na merong big stages, merong Coke Studio, merong mga outlet
Kaya
and
nga, bakit
platforms
wala pa kayong
for
team?
us
Charot.
to give our music for the
Joke lang.
people, for it to be seen, to be heard. So, we're just so grateful na parang hanggang ngayon, parang andito pa rin yung Coke Studio. It's our 5th year. And we've been paired with
Yeah,
such
may
great
i-release ulit
acts.
yung Coke na bagong
And
kanta.
with
Oo.
Coke Studio as well,
We're
parang
excited.
nakagawa kami ng sarili namin kanta, I Love Yourself. It's our first time. So parang with means na binibigay sa amin, parang lumalawak din yung understanding namin sa lahat ng bagay. And it helps us grow to be this beautiful artist. Wala, grateful lang talaga yung puso ko. Parang it just overflows with gratitude talaga. Yeah.
Also, yung Coke, may experience kami sa Coke Studio na hindi lang siya artist to artist. Kasi meron kaming song na ang nag-choreograph and nagsulat ng rap part, tama? Kasi yung blooms namin. Yeah, yung blooms namin. So parang very, very collaborative talaga siya even to our fandoms po.
I love that. I mean, that goes right into our next question that what brings us to Coke Studio for 10 seasons? It's been a platform that has introduced collaborations, celebrated artists, and connected
Gusto ko pag
music
nasagot
with new
sila, alam mo
generation
parang
of fans.
sobrang
From your
sanay na sumagot
perspective,
sa mga
why are
interview.
platforms like Coke
Like
Studio so
saluhan
important to
or
an artist journey? I know
basta
Meloy
alam
just
nila
said
yung
her
sasabihin.
side of things.
Alam mo
Anyone
yun,
else want to add to
sobrang
that?
smooth ng answers.
I think maganda din siyang
Yes, Colette.
exercise because lumalabas yung creative juices ng lahat.
Yes.
From Beanie, galing sa mga team ng Coke, pwede din collaborative
Wow!
siya aside sa other artists, meron nga din pong fans
Yeah.
na pwedeng, yun nga, magsulat ng rap, mag-choreo, and parang maganda siyang relationship din sa bawat fandom and bawat groups na part ng mga ganitong bagay.
Yes,
Also to
Colette.
add to what
Yes,
Colette
Mga
said, parang
Colette.
it's more than advertising the product itself. Parang it brings people to, connect. And parang nagbe-bring siya ng genuine talaga na connection sa audiences namin. Like, genuine talaga na connection. Because for me, I'm a fan of music. So parang pag nakikita ko na different artists with different genres, different generations, and having a collaboration, parang it's just so refreshing. And parang nakakabuhay
Yes, we
talaga
need
siya.
that.
So na, oh my gosh,
Bini,
pwede pala
please.
siyang mangyari. And that is because of Coke Studio.
Ang maganda din, pinipair nila yung unexpected na artist.
Exactly.
Kasi
So,
parang
are we
sino
expecting?
mag-aakala
Are we
i-pair ang
expecting
Beanie?
a collab?
Kunwari, sa player
Player
2,
Player two.
mga
Yeah.
Yung
rappers.
dati.
Parang paano ba siya mag-work? Pero maganda talaga yung outcome niya.
And I'd also like to add po kasi every season talagang iba-ibang experience siya.
Yes.
Kasi kasama natin before yung Orchestra of the Filipino
Yes,
Youth po. Actually,
yung
nakasama
ano,
na namin sila sa one of our
Oxygen.
concerts. Wala lang, sobrang amazing na nakasama namin sila sa Coke Studio and nabigyan nila ng ibang twist talaga yung song. It's really an unexpected collab. Kasi
Yes.
usually yung mga singers, di ba yun naman naka-collab namin. But then, their orchestra and nabigyan nila ng magandang twist talaga yung song. And yun yung nagagawa ng Coke Studio. They
Yes.
unite
Oh, yung
everybody.
outfit ni Aya ni Shi, parang same.
So what are some
Color.
things Coke Studio has been doing right that others can take inspiration from in terms of supporting the Filipino music industry and creating these types of platforms?
First of all, syempre yung Coke Studio is showcasing talaga the collaborations between different artists from different genres, generations or backgrounds. And with that, parang makakita yun ng very refreshing concept of two artists kasi parang nami-marry nila yung two genres parang into this baby. Diba? Yung parang napakagandang song or artistry, and with that, parang makikita natin talaga yung kung paano nag-grow yung
Pinaka-favorite
artist.
kong
Kasi parang
Coke song nila,
lumalabas sila sa comfort zone nila na okay,
Blooming.
dito lang ako, ito lang yung alam ko. But with collaborating with
So, ano kaya yung ngayon?
different artists, parang parang lumalawak yung pangunawa nila and yung artistry nila with their craft. And also, Coke Studio is representing the culture and yung storytelling talaga ng mga artists. Yeah.
Yes, and not just with the artists actually, also with the supporters. Yeah, so parang Coke Studio became like a community and where we can have concerts, they can see the process, we can communicate
Ganda ng
with
lipstick mo.
and collaborate with our supporters, and it's such an amazing thing to see and to see the process kasi yun yung hindi nakikita ng mga ibang tao.
A community together and creating a platform that brings artists together and just everyone together to have experiences that we wouldn't have been able to have without platforms like this.
Mic drop.
Congratulations. So how has your relationship with Coke Studio been like over the years? I think you've all said that. And what makes this latest chapter
Congratulations.
with them feel so special? Let's talk about the present. What are you doing with Coke Studio right now?
Kahit na work siya, hindi namin siya tinitreat as work kasi para siyang naglalaro lang talaga kami. Work and play. And
Feel ko
ayun, ang
gusto
sarap
ni
po ng
Joy
Coke,
yun.
kaya salamat.
Pag
Salamat sa
Ang sarap
work
po
and
ng
play.
Coke.
And ayun, ang sarap po ng Coke. Kaya
Yes!
Salamat. Salamat sa pa-take home. O, iuwi ko na to, ma'am.
So Coke Studio is very much known for supporting artists that are on the rise. You were once on the rise. How was that experience your first time with Coke Studio?
Oh, yung
They
20.
still are.
Love Yourself, 2022.
Love yourself. Okay, I saw
Grabe.
the memories hitting. Let's
Hindi
go.
sobra po kaming...
Sa kwarto tayo nun.
Ikwento mo yung process.
Ayan na, yung energy.
Kasi ikaw yung bida dun eh. You were the main contributor.
Pero syempre, nung nalaman nga po namin na maging part na kami ng Coke, so sinabihan nga po kami na parang kami yung gagawa ng buong song for
Yes.
Coke. So medyo nagulat kami na binigyan agad kami ng sobrang laking responsibility na ganyan kasi hindi naman po lahat talaga nagsusulat. So nasa Beanie House po kami noon, voice class namin noon. Binigay sa amin yung time to write. Walang
I
naka-assign.
love the
Sabi lang namin, okay
storytelling.
girls, tara sa kwarto. Magkulong tayo. Kung anong gusto nyo gawin, verse, chorus, pre-chorus. Then, after ilang minutes, tulog na po kami lahat. Hindi, naka-aircon kasi yung kwarto. Tapos syempre, hindi naman lahat marunong. So,
funny.
lahat nakaganon, nakatulog na. Pero, eventually, nakabuo naman po kami ng kanta. And then, hindi namin nakalaing mag-work siya. And at the same time, yun yung song kasi na may collaboration din with A Bloom. Yun din yung song na yun, na Love Yourself. So, we're so grateful talaga that time kasi nga, hindi pa naman kami super kilala talaga.
Maganda yung
Pero
dance
Coke,
break doon.
trusted na,
If tama
I mean,
ko nung
pinagkatiwalaan
naalala.
kaming group na meron kaming mabibigay up until today. So, thank you
so
so much,
much,
Coke.
Tapos yun yung parang 20 runs ata tayo ng sayaw.
Grabe yung
Oo.
hints ni Mika.
Mga naka 20
Diba, sabi ko
runs
sa'yo.
ata tayo ng
Parang
sayaw.
bakal lang.
Oo.
Ano?
Mga naka 20 runs po kami. So that's why it's so memorable to us. Kasi hindi ko talaga nakalimutan yun.
Kayod pala.
Grabe yung ano.
Danas.
Hashtag
Danas.
Nag-try lang tayo
Nung shoot.
performance na. Pero
Okay.
yung process, tayo lang yung nagpupunggos. Yung
Yeah.
Punggos?
Tagdanas.
Ipit?
Naranasan talaga
Kayod.
natin lahat with Coke.
Punggos?
Yeah.
Pero
Okay.
yung process, tayo lang yung nagpupunggos. Yung
Yeah.
Ano yun?
Ipit?
Tagdanas.
Parang naranasan talaga
Nakailalim din
lahat
ah.
with Coke.
Or ibang ibang...
Nakita nila tayo nung
They've been there
Ano
since
daw,
the
sabi ni
beginning.
Baloy?
Yes.
Nakita nila tayo nung
Lumaki.
They've been there since the beginning.
Yes. Literal.
If the Beanie
Ang
that was
taas na
still
nung energy
training
na.
at Star Hunt were to watch your Coachella performance or your preparation for the world tour, what do you think they would be most surprised about in terms of how you've changed or how much you've stayed true
Pili
to
ko
your
ibahin
roots?
nila mga dance break.
yung confidence po. Kasi,
Yes.
like when we
I
perform
love
ng
women
Coachella,
with
na-feel
Talk
ko
about
na
it. Oo.
we are more confident than ever. Na parang we know what we're doing. Yung mga ad-libs, yung mga nuances, mga expressions with our performances. Parang we carry it well. Na compared before, talaga, there was a time na we were so used to performing in front of the cameras. Yeah, we're always just striving to
Alam mo,
grow and grow. and
Ini-imagine
more.
ko, gusto ko
So
mapanood si
yun,
Aya sa
it has
beauty
been
pageant.
quite a journey
Oo.
din.
Pero
since,
siguro hindi
when we
ngayon.
were famous.
Yes. Alam mo
Let's
yun,
talk
parang
about that confidence for a
ang galing
second
niya kasi talaga
because
sumagot.
week one, Coachella was amazing. Just everyone was blown away. But week two, it's like something else came out of you guys. You guys were even just more, I remember the way you were looking at the camera, just going into what you were saying was just a whole different level. So that week two, can you tell us about it? What was it like being on stage and what was it like just being in front of that crowd? Was there a different energy in the room?
Parang mas kabado po kami sa week 2.
Oh, talaga?
Yes.
Sobra po.
Kasi po,
Kasi parang
yung week 1
ang dami
parang
nag-expect
yun
sa
nga
kanila
po
kasi ang
parang,
galing nila nung week 1.
introduction
Oo,
sa
oo,
Beanie. Yung week 2 po kasi parang inaabangan na po nila
Yes.
yung Beanie.
Kasi nakita na nila.
Oo, kasi nakita na nila yung week 1. So kami po sobrang kabado namin.
Grabe yung hair, like
Talagang
sobrang,
paano kapag may
alam mo,
magkamali
sobrang-
lang, paano kapag ganito,
Grabe
lahat
yung
po.
smooth ng
Yung
hair
change
ko.
outfit, kailangan ma-perfect talaga kasi parang mawawala yung surprise nun kapag hindi siya perfect. Yung last minute po yung flag na
Yeah.
nilabas namin sa LED. So sobrang lahat po,
that's iconic.
lahat po kalkulado talaga, lahat na dapat tama talaga. Kasi ilang months po namin yun practice yung Coachella. Parang 3 months po namin practice yun. So, grabe po yung so basta overall sobrang kaba po. Pero sobrang sarap din sa feeling na makita talaga yung mga tao na nag-cheer, nag-jive po sa lahat. As in, pag hina-hype po sila ni Mika, talagang nag-jump sila kahit hindi nila alam yung song, kahit
Yes,
Lahat
Out
po
of
sobrang
My
saya
Head.
namin.
Yes, sa karera.
Actually, yung first week po namin, wala kami stage rehearsal.
Yun na yun.
That was
yung
it.
stage rehearsal namin.
Para lakasan na lang ng
Yung
A1.
Philippine style.
And that's amazing.
Parang from backstage, nakikita naman namin yung stage. So, gumagano na lang po kami. Ano kaya sasayawan namin?
Kaya hinahanap niya rin yung tubig.
Yung tubig kasi parang hinahanap namin sa naka-position kasi hindi po namin alam anong itsura ng
Iconic.
stage.
Sino?
Nakausap po kami ni Coach Mika.
Nasa
Ayun,
kaliwa
okay,
mo.
one right, one left, ganyan. Opo.
Grabe no, imagine mo
Sobrang
si Joe lang
init
nakaka...
yung tubig namin sa stage.
Yes, fun fact, yung tubig po namin nung week 1, unti na lang, kukulo na siya. Sa sobrang init.
Siya eh.
Sobrang dry nung lalamunan namin. Pero,
Wow.
danas. Yes, na,
Hashtag
na
danas.
natawid.
Ano, grabe yung feeling talaga ng Coachella.
Experience
Grabe talaga. And feeling ko deserve ng
Eh
lahat
tayong
ng
nanonood,
artists
grabe na yung ano
maranasan
na.
yung
Di ba paano pa yung mga nakapanood
yung
doon?
ganong
Oo,
feeling na, oh my gosh.
Yung personal
just
talagang
did that.
maririnig mo, makakaano ka.
Nakaka-proud talaga sa sarili.
Kaya na lang talaga naiyak
So
din
true. I
yung
mean,
sila
the whole
ano
nation
eh.
and so many parts of
Gusto
the
ko yung
world were watching
tinatas
you,
din natin
but also
energy
rooting for
natin.
you.
Tapos
That
bumabalik
energy was
talaga.
directed towards you as a group, towards you as a beacon of hope for Filipino artists here. So thank you for that moment during Coachella.
We try.
I try.
Humble
and also yung
queens.
week 2, parang isa sa mga memorable time din namin
Grabe,
yun kasi
outfit ni
iba-iba
Gwen.
yung mga languages
Pants
naming
niya.
Bini. So, yung introduction namin, kunwari ako, nag-Ilocano ako, what's up? Sabi ko,
That's
in
iconic.
Ilocano ha?
Go lang.
Sabi ko,
What's up?
go lang. Sabi ko, parang naimbag nga,
Nalimutan.
imbag nga aldaw kinyayu Coachella. Tapos, kunwari, si Gwen, Bicol.
Matay na, hapon,
The
ganyan.
rest is history. So, parang grabe, hindi lang mga basta yung mga Pinoy.
Kasi
kahit
pag
yung
talaga
mga
si
iba't
Stako yung
ibang lingwahe,
naghawak ng
parang
mic.
incorporate
Represented.
din namin. Yes.
Province namin.
Pressure din talaga from week 2. Kasi di ba nakita na tayo nung week 1, super confident nila na parang they got it, ganon. So
Grabe
parang,
yun,
how much more
tumabi
pa
sila
kaya
sa
week
anong
two? So
most
we had to
viewed
boost
artist.
our
Oo,
confidence
diba?
despite the
Grabe
changes. So,
Tapos nilike ni ano ni
But hindi lang nila nakita kasi we try
Oh
to
my God.
enjoy it talaga.
Iconic.
Kasi feeling ko if you enjoy it, nawawala yung kaba dun.
Mm-mm.
Na parang,
It's not
nafe-feel
performance
mo
na.
yung
It's
song
Work
lahat.
and
just-
play, parang
And
ganun.
feel mo lahat. Kasi ini-enjoy mo. Kasi you know na it's not, especially for week 2 na you know na it's the last. So, might as well enjoy talaga.
Might as well talaga.
And it helps din kasi na 8 kami sa group. So,
Ah.
parang
Oh, yeah.
less ka ba? Kasi nga,
Ah.
nadi-divide yung energy.
Support,
natin to.
support system.
Tapos 10 songs pa po yun. So, parang, okay, last 4. Gumagano.
Bikini na. Kaya na natin to. Last song.
Pag nakatalikod.
You got this.
Ganon pala yun.
Sabi sa Pantropiko, meron kasi kaming blockings na
Oh.
Natalikod.
naka-circle kami
Yeah.
kay Stako. So parang, okay na to? Sige. Konti na lang, guys.
Pag mga concerts din, di ba? Parang, ay, bibingin.
Topic ko na.
At hindi maganda talaga pag madami sila sa group.
Nakakadagdag din ng confidence na from day one. Nakita rin kasi talaga namin yung suporta ng buong Pilipinas.
Yes.
Kaya talagang
Yan talaga yung
mamomotivate
support
ka
ng
talaga
Pilipino
for
talaga.
Yes, grabe
We've
yung
all
alam mo
seen
yun,
that
yung
Filipino
yung
music
merong
just
mga
shot up,
may mga
especially in the last few years.
flag ng Bini, gano'n.
Pretty
Oh
much a
my
second golden
God.
age of OPM. How do you feel like younger listeners are receiving Filipino music
Kahit
today?
bashers
I think
nakaabang
what
sa
I've noticed
Coachella
now
nila.
is that
Nauuna pa.
a lot of younger
Gumising
kids
parang maaga yung mga
have been
bashers.
listening to music. And our music, I think, has reached not just the young ones, like the babies. It has also reached all ages, which is so interesting to see kasi nakikita po namin sila sa mga concerts namin. Kaya kami may mga mini-verse ganon. And
Wala yung
what I
isang
noticed
ano.
yun sa ibang
Cute.
artists,
Ayun.
a lot of people are
Ay,
more
dalawa.
involved. A lot of people are now more proactive when it comes to
Parang si
concerts,
Mika
to
din tan, no?
festivals, and that's why
Exactly.
Tan
festivals
yung
are
color niya. Baka,
so important
baka
in
yung galing
this
silang
age
beach.
now kasi yun po talaga yung mga platforms kung saan
Pero ang
nakaka-discover
ganda.
ng
Oh
ibang
my
artists.
God.
Fair Moreno.
Kasi for example, punta ako for the certain artist, madidiscover ko na pala na
Parang yung Mikaya,
may
no?
upcoming artist that like resonates with me so much.
Yes.
So that's what's nice now.
Also, to echo what Mika said, parang makikita mo sa charts that almost all of it are Filipinos.
Yes.
Parang lahat OPM, like finally. Kasi
Finally.
before,
OPM Rise.
iba't ibang genres from international artists. But now, parang tayo yung nandun. Ang ganda niyan tignan na, oh my God, we're flourishing. Ito na talaga yung time natin.
Grabe talaga yung
And
Bini.
also,
Like, lahat,
ako, parang nakikita ko rin na
parang,
parang we
parang hindi lang sila yung
yearn
umaangat.
for
Talagang hindi lang
experiences.
makakalimutang i-mention sa mga interview
Parang
yan
mas
yung OPM.
dumadami na yung festivals, concerts,
hindi-
parang
hindi
we
lang
embrace
hindi lang
that.
sila yung gusto
nasa
lang,
spotlight.
Parang it's new
I love
era.
it.
Parang
Talagang
bumabalik
gusto
lang
nila
talaga siya. So, ang saya na
tulong sa
kids, young
Pagtaas.
kids is
Kaya naman
longing
yung
or
Blooms,
yearning for
pagpapakilala sa
experiences
OPM.
Kaya
talaga,
yung
which
Blooms, ganun din
is
yung support sa mga
leading
OPM artists.
to the, parang pag-blossom talaga ng
Kasi hindi
music
naman kailangan
industry.
talaga mag-hingan
Oo,
pa.
Siguro sa
oo.
perspective ko, I feel like yung younger
hirap na nga
listeners
nating-
natin ngayon are more
Parang bago nga
open-minded
tayo,
pagdating sa music.
bago tayo
Parang
nakaabot
people
din sa
abot
ganun
charts
level.
themselves sa pakikinig ng song, whether it's in Korean, Filipino, Spanish, or kahit anong language. Basta if a song connects with them,
Yes.
papakinggan nila yon.
Yes.
And I feel like that,
I agree.
yung openness na yon, nakaka-help siya sa OPM mag-grow. Kasi
Ngayon,
yung audiences
parang
na...
tayo, di ba, sa K-pop
Are
lang.
just-
Tapos ngayon, nakakilala natin yung Bini. Alam mo, parang yung level kasi nandun eh. Parang, kasi pag
alam
K-pop,
mo,
grabe yung standard mo. So, kaya pala natin, alam mo yun?
Na talaga na ano lang talaga yung mga artists ng Filipino, like kulang lang sa
push,
oo,
sa support. Kasi
yes,
ayun,
diba?
na parang,
Ngayon with BD and other P-pop groups, mas lalong nga nagpa-flourish
Oo.
yung mga
Totoo.
OPM, yung mga kanta natin, yung lingguahe natin
Kasi
nakakaabot sa
oo,
ibang
kasi,
bansa.
In real life naman talaga, sobrang talented ng mga Pilipino. Kasi di ba may
Wow.
mga nasali nga sa AGT.
International
Yes,
tayo.
so
girl.
di ba? Let's
Alam mo
support.
yun, kahit saan tayo dalhin, kakayanin natin kasi
Oo.
we're that kind of citizens. Oh.
Wow. Pero parang ganun
no
yung
joke
mga
talaga,
Pinoy
talaga.
kasi talaga. Like,
Mm.
alam mo, pag may support ka, lalaban
Lalaban
kayo.
tayo,
Oo.
Covering OPM for the quality of the music itself. Na parang, yes.
Yes.
It's not even just because it's Filipino music. It's good music. At the end of the day, it's
Tsaka
good.
sobrang
it's good.
catchy ng music
That's
kasi
it.
nila.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
Fans are such a huge part of how
Pinag-isipan.
K-pop and OPM as a whole have
My
grown over the years, and we know you share a very special relationship, of course, with your Blooms. Was there a moment when you realized your relationship with the Blooms have evolved from fan support into something more like a shared journey?
Ako feeling ko po, wala siyang defining moment. I think it was the time na talagang yung pinagsamahan namin ay hindi lang basta fan support. Hindi lang siya basta we celebrate yung successful times natin, moments like that. Pero yung connection kasi po namin with our Blooms is talagang parang sinishare namin yung milestone namin with them. Sinishare namin kung ano yung mga napagdaanan namin. Napanood nila yung journey namin na napakahirap. Kaya for me, yun talaga yung proud moment ko with them. Kasi yung Blooms talaga namin, nandyan sila ever since. Talagang di nila kami iniwan. Kaya talagang yung connection namin with them ay on top.
Yes.
Top tier.
What if spoiler
To
pala
have
yun on
that
top?
connection is super important because they weren't just there during the good times, they were there during harder times as well. And they've
Parang hindi
been
ko na
with you
maririnig yung
until
boses
now,
ni
we're
Brett talaga.
just on this incredible streak, and we hope that it continues, and it will continue. Is there a story or moment that really stayed with you? Something a fan or a fandom did that made you realize the lengths Blooms would go to support Beanie?
Actually, ang lagi naming sagot dyan po talaga sa question na yan.
Yes, Jolette,
Yung mga
titigan.
ginagawa ng... Actually, ang lagi naming sagot dyan po talaga sa question na yan. Yung mga ginagawa
Natawa ko
ng
sa po
fandom
talaga.
namin na tumutulong talaga sa question na yan. Yung mga ginagawa ng... Actually, ang lagi naming sagot dyan po talaga sa question na yan. Yung mga ginagawa ng
Hoy!
fandom namin na tumutulong talaga sila sa mga taong
Dala ng antok yan,
nangangailangan.
ah.
Outreach po sila, may mga charity po sila,
Yes.
donate po sila.
Yeah.
Bagyo man yan, may mga calamities pa kung ano-ano pa, yung mga jeepney drivers, yung mga animals po, lahat ng pwede nilang matulungan, tutulungan po talaga nila.
Yes.
And pagkaya, kasama man kami or hindi.
In what ways do fans empower you to keep pursuing your dreams
Sobrang
and continuing to
nakaka-proud.
aim
Like
higher?
yung inspiration nila sa
Yun po
Blooms.
isa sa examples na sinabi ni Colette. But ever since talaga, yung fans namin, yung mga Blooms, they've been supportive. Kahit ano man yan, hindi lang in all the good times. Kasi the thing about them then is very vocal sila and they stand for what they believe in. In those times na
Tsaka pag Bloom,
hindi
yung,
namin gaano
yung pag may mali sila, kinakall out
napapalabas yung
sila.
boses namin. They're there to support
Alam mo yun, yung
us.
parang alam
And
pag mali.
Kaya
Yung loyalty
din,
talaga
there's
natin
that
para
special
sa
connection kasi kahit hindi maganda yung mga nangyayari sa amin, kahit may mga bagyong nangyayari, they're just there and you can see that they genuinely care and it all comes from a place of love.
Yes.
Actually, mas gusto po nga nila nagpapahinga kami kaysa
Totoo. Ngayon, totoo.
Parang after, kahit matagal nila kami din makita, okay lang, as long as nakaka-rest kayo, Beanie, okay
Tsaka
lang.
parang may
kami,
excitement
nandito
din
lang
ba? Parang alam mo, naabangan mo kung kailan sila ulit babalik.
Because they've been there from the start and they see
Kasi wala na din kami
exactly
pera
what you're
talaga.
going through. And at the end of the day, we want you guys to be at full health to be able to continue this road you're on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bringing it back to the present moment, Beanie has gone. Yeah. Bringing it back to the present moment, Beanie has gone from representing Filipino music abroad to helping reshape how international audiences perceive Filipino music. Since accepting awards and performing on stages around the world, what conversations do you think are now possible for Filipino artists that might not have been possible a few years ago? The doors that you've opened up, what has this done for the Filipino artists of today?
I think, one of the biggest changes is that Filipino artist is no longer just asking if whether it's possible to go on a global stage.
There it is.
Kasi parang nagagawa na siya ngayon.
Exactly.
Yes, it is possible. And I'm not just talking about our Coachella moment, but I'm talking about how many Filipino artists are doing world tours now.
Yes.
Diba? And selling out arenas. Yung
Exactly.
fact pa lang na nakakapag-show ka outside the Philippines, kahit ba sabihin natin, sus, mga Pinoy lang din naman nanonood dyan, but still, diba?
Yes.
Nasa
In a
labas ka
different
ng bansa.
country. Yeah.
Doon nagsistart yun eh. Pwede ka maka-invite ng non-Filipino audiences mo and doon
Yes.
magsistart lahat. So, kailangan mo lang talaga, you just have to put yourself out there.
Yes.
So very true. I mean,
That's
how
many
many
hinahatak
groups
ako ni
today
Juan.
are going outside
Hoy!
the country? Kaya,
Wait, sino bias mo?
Singapore, Dubai,
Pero grabe talaga.
SB19 in Japan, you
This
guys
look,
in the US.
oh my God.
Everyone's
Dangerous.
coming together and having their moments now more than ever. And the more that we do have those moments around the world, the more artists that get to
So,
have.
paano pa
and the
kaya
more
pagka
that
nakita ko sa
when these
personal si
festivals are
Juan?
taking- should be doing other
Sayang,
Filipino
Juan!
artists, they're willing to have that conversation because of the work that you guys
Dapat
have been
gano'n na
doing.
pag nakita mo.
Amazing. Billboard Women in Music is such a wild experience because you're watching the biggest artists on stage and they'll sing right in front of you. Everyone's so close together. There's so many collaborations happening. It's just such a fast-paced night.
The day ng Billboard Women in Music, nasa van kami, papunta na kami, nakita namin si Levy. Siya yung
Yep.
pinakaunang artist na nakita namin.
Oh my God.
Tapos sabi, tapos nakaganyan kami sa van, no? Kasi nasa labas siya. Grabe.
Wala pang video
siya.
na.
Tapos, pagbaba ng van, syempre kailangan voice ka.
Pero sobrang lamig.
Tapos, meron kasi, nakapila po kami kasi isa-isang interview and ganon. Tapos after niyang ma-interview, tapos nakita niya kami, syempre, 8 po kaming girls na parang ang ingay namin, ganon. Tapos sabi niya, oh my gosh, hi Beanie, you're all over my feed. Nung sinabi niya, sabi ko, oh my...
What's happening? Like, napapanood niya yung Beanie, di ba?
Yo, oh my gosh, hi Beanie, you're all over my feed. Nung sinabi niya, sabi
Si
ko,
Mika.
oh my God. Natunaw ka.
Hindi, tsaka may picture tayo na lahat tayo nakasilip sa kanya. May picture kami nakaganon habang
Kasi magkasunod
on
eh.
stage.
Oo.
Diba, aside kay Levy, ang dami rin namin nakita mga international artists na like Coco Jones, Tiana Taylor, kay Lani, na parang dati pinapakinggan ko lang to sa Spotify, tapos ngayon,
Harap mo na
nasa
ngayon.
harap ko na.
Wait lang.
Ayla,
Lisa.
ganon. And Lisa.
Lisa just chilling.
Ilang beses na natin napanood si Kailani kumanta ng
Friends na
Fold.
tayo.
Ilang beses
grabe
na.
na-acknowledge na namin sila. Oh, I like your dress. Parang may narinig ako na gano'n. Si Ate Mali ata kay Coco Jones. Sabi niya, oh my God, I like your dress. Kasi purple dress ate yung suit niya. No? Tapos parang, hala, kilala ko yan. Gawan ako sa isip ko. Pero nakakahiya kasi syempre dapat prim and proper ka. Ganyan. Invited. Baka hindi ka na ma-invite sa susunod pag naggulo-gulo ka na, di ba?
Yes, and ka-table natin si Cara Delevingne.
Yes!
And she
Like,
even presented
Hawaii
your
girl
award.
crush.
Uy, and si Miss Talia. Grabe nung na-meet namin kasi nag-photo kami after nung performance, tapos nandun din siya.
Yes,
Tapos
si
sabi niya,
Marimar.
hindi niya makakalimutan yung Pinas kasi grabe yung suporta sa kanya.
Exactly.
Marimar, hello, grabe. Sa TikTok pa kami. Siya yung nag-aya ng TikTok po.
Yes, I
Yeah,
saw that.
so
All
sweet.
that.
She's so warm po.
Perform niya, tapos sabi niya, malay mo, sige, mag-collab tayo, Beanie and Talia, how about that? Ganyan siya na ganyan.
Oh, tas,
Tagalog siya.
inspo ko yun.
Pinoy pala si Talia.
Tas, inspo
Kasi sabi,
Sige, mag-collab tayo, Beanie and Talia, how about that? Ganyan siya.
oh, tas, inspo ko yun.
Pinoy pala si Talia.
Totoo ang balik. Uy, inspo ko yung damit niya. Yung pinang-perform niya sa Billboard.
May thought lang na pumasok sa akin kasi ang galing na we're going abroad to introduce ourselves. Pero that time when we were there, like sila Tali or other mga people na na-meet namin, parang sila tuloy yung gustong pumunta ng Pinas.
Yes.
because we went there. So parang nabaliktad.
Hello? What's happening?
Ng Pinas
Yes.
because we went there. So parang nabaliktad siya, which is cool. And
sa wifi ba yun?
Ha?
Sa wifi ba yun?
Wait, wag nating i-14.
that's something na we hope na lagi mangyayari when we go abroad. Kasi hindi lang naman tayo yung gustong
Makalala.
magpasikat. Gusto din natin
Oh.
ipasikat yung Pinas and for them to come
Paras pala naka-red si Mika at si Aya.
here and reach more artists. So,
Ay, si Colette din
talaga
pala.
And we're hoping that more
It's
of
not
these
Mikaya
international
without
artists come
Colette.
here, not only perform here, but also
Steve.
invite more Filipino
Steve.
artists on stage with them, whether it's whatever genre it is, whatever type of fan base
Sige lang,
is
wifi,
on
wag kami
stage with them,
kasama.
whether it's whatever
kailan
genre it
talaga
is, whatever type of fan
Naantok na kami talaga.
base it is. So there's more opportunities for more collaborations, and we can do the same thing when we go to their country as well, right?
Right?
Yeah. Over the
Yes.
past few years, you've brought Filipino music and artistry to places you only dreamed of. Going from mall shows to Madison Square Garden. Yes, I said that. How does it feel to go from performing at smaller stages to selling out stadiums and arenas around the world?
Honestly, hindi pa po talaga siya nagsisink in sa
Exactly.
amin.
Mhm.
Kasi sobrang crazy talaga. Who would have expect na dati pinapangarap lang namin yan. And yun nga, nag-start po kami sa mall shows. Every time naaalala namin to, parang, alam mo yung nababalik kami dun sa before na, ay, we started mall shows, dun kami natuto makipag-connect sa tao, yung hard work namin, na-remind kami, yung humble beginnings namin, to now na nakakapag-perform na kami sa dream stages namin. And we're just very grateful.
For me din, feeling ko hindi naman tayo nagbago ng mindset ever kasi since the start of our trainee days, like, yun nga, naglagay tayo ng mga stickers sa harap ng mirror na parang, 10,000 people are watching.
Yeah.
Or like, kahit one man lang yan, yun yung tinuturo sa amin, like, all the time. Even if it's just one person watching, you give your best no matter
100%
what.
every
Yeah.
time.
Exactly.
What do you think still needs to improve in how the Filipino music industry is supported so that more artists can reach the same kind of momentum?
Like, I hope that there are also organizations who encourage Filipino identity to be known all over
Yes.
across the globe. Not even just music. I mean, like, any form of arts. Like, it could be a painter, a dancer, anything in relation to that.
Kahit pa paano na-start and na-experience natin siya kasi we already went to Congress and House of
Yes. Amazing
Representatives. So
moment.
nakatanggap po kami ng resolution and from that feeling ko pwede natin siya dun simulan na tuloy-tuloy na sana
And ngayon,
po.
di ba, ano,
The kind of support that
tourism
could happen
ambassador
with all
na
these different
sila.
organizations and platforms coming together, the possibilities are endless, and the amount of artists that could be helped, and the kind of industry that doesn't only support artists but supports the people behind the scenes, the people making the music.
Parang
It's a whole
nakikipagkwentuhan lang
ecosystem that
talaga
can
siya. no?
rise
Yung
together.
Kasi may ang dami nating independent artists na sobrang talented.
Yes.
Meron silang, sige, sabihin natin gamit. Patod lang din kakayahan nila siguro financially na ilabas nila yung sarili nila
Gaya na
doon
sa
sa stage na
Biniverse
yun.
and Chorus,
Kasi kahit
diba?
papano kami,
Yung sa
meron
Biniverse and Chorus, ang daming talented na songwriters.
Diba? Oh my God.
kaming ABS-CBN kahit papano
Shout out
to
sa
really help
favorites
us,
ko.
diba? To provide.
Right,
provide.
ano criteria
Takes a
mo?
village.
Yes. So parang, di ba imagine kung matulungan natin yung mga independent artists natin. Tapos, ayan no, Booj. Full force tayo.
Tsaka funds.
Oo.
Give funds sa small music labels,
Yes.
small companies that really showcasing independent artists na wala talagang like financially lacked. So, yun yung parang pinaka heart nun eh. Parang kailangan talaga ng fund. Please.
Please na please. Hindi din. Tsaka to add,
Maluoy ka! Ginoo!
Hindi, to add din, I strongly believe din kasi talaga na hindi lang yung music yung mapapalago yung economy talaga ng
Exactly.
Pilipinas. Yung mga tao, makikurious man sila sa music and sa artist ng Philippines, pero pupunta talaga sila dito para manood, para i-visit yung
Tourism.
places,
Yes.
tourism,
Yes.
like
Oh my
everything
God, the
mag-up talaga yung
mindset.
economy. So,
Dami-daming, sobrang daming talented na mga
Yes.
Pinoy, hindi lang basta sa
Yes.
music. Diba? Yung mga
Talent.
dito lahat.
athletic, diba? Mga Pinoy,
Alex
grabe
Ayala,
diba?
diba?
Yes!
There we
Tsaka
go.
parang all over the
Prefers.
world, ang dami kayong competitions na yung mga Pinoy pagkapasok nila sa stage, iba talaga yung nagagawa nila
Tsaka
sa
kapag
mga
ipasok
tao.
The
mo yung
confidence.
Pinoy kahit saan, hospital man yan or
Yes.
meron mang competition, natatakot sila sa Pinoy kasi
Miss
magaling
Universe,
talaga ang mga
every
Pinoy.
day.
We are
Palaban
so
proud.
competent.
Palaban talaga sila.
Alam mo
Sa
yun?
singing man yan, Regine
Oo.
Velasquez,
Boxing.
everything. Miss Universe, Catriona
Athlete.
Tsaka sa modeling, Gwen Apuna.
Yes!
Yes, and alam natin na kaya ng budget ng
Gwen,
Philippines.
please.
Wala nyo yung Coke Studio, mag-concert tayo buong OPM.
Studio, you're taking
Hello
notes.
po.
Here we go.
Last Coke
Marinig si
concert.
Colin.
Coke Studio concert last time
Okay,
si
bringing it
Lane.
back to Coke Studio for a second. If
OPM,
you
tas
could collaborate
sila.
with other OPM artists within Coke Studio, again, past or present, who would you want to work with? And why? Well, and why?
Okay, go.
Pwede naman.
Blackpink.
Go, Stacks.
From the
I would say player
Lisa.
2. Sobrang
Ay,
talented ng player 2.
Akala ko
As in,
international.
first time ko matry yung pumasok ko sa recording studio, wala akong alam na lyrics, basta mag-hum lang ako. Tapos yun na yung bubuo ng kung anong pwedeng lyrics, ganyan. Wala, anong tawag sa ganon? Yung parang, ganon. Parang sila yung nag-introduce, sa kanila ko nalaman yung pwede palang ganon, kahit wala ka pang naiisip na lyrics, pwede mong gawin yun, mag-hum ka lang, and pwede ka nang makabuo.
Ano
So,
tawag doon?
ako, sila yung gusto kong
Pinipindot tapos
makakolab.
nag-repeat on
Parang,
repeat
alam
lang
mo ni
siya.
Colette.
Ibang P-pop group din.
Alam mo.
Ginamit
Kasi
yun
ang
na
dami,
yan.
di ba,
At saka
rise in
ano.
P-pop groups and yung mga
Vision?
friends namin sa P-pop, we really
Gwen,
look forward
Vision,
to collaborate
please.
with
Oh
with
my God.
Coke. Hopefully, malay mo
Please,
P-pop
Coke.
edition for
Give
next
us Bini and
Why
Vision.
not?
Two, please.
Ako naman, siguro yung band na It All Started in May.
Oh, I love them.
Yes. Kasi parang sobrang binabalik nila yung
Lucky Team.
yung ganong type
That
of...
feel.
Yes.
Yes.
Oo, yung ganon.
Nostalgia.
There we go.
Yeah, I love them.
Oh my
Ako
God,
same
dami ko
with
nakikilala
Stacey
mga
Player
artists.
Yeah.
When we worked with them, as in, sobrang good vibes lang. Tapos, they're very easy to work with. Tapos, mga Bisaya,
Bisaya
pa sila.
pride.
Oo.
Good na.
So, sana they're given more recognition and more
Yes, mga Colette.
opportunities pa. Kasi magaling talaga sila.
Ang songs nila.
Yeah, maganda yung songs nila.
True. Very true.
Ako din, player 2.
Hey.
No, kasi nga sobrang vibe ko yung song na yon na ginawa namin with them. Bata, yeah, the cover, yung parang,
Parang rap parts nila.
First time ko kasi magsulat ng verse na hindi rap.
Yeah.
Na may tono, na maghahanap talaga ng tono. So parang, It was a nice experience with them because they were so helpful and so humble. Yeah.
For me, Alamat, we actually worked with them before, pero we miss them. Hindi, pero talagang gusto rin namin yung branding ng Alamat. Very Pinoy talaga. Isa rin
Oo,
sila sa
grabe din yung
grabe mahal
Alamat.
na mahal yung kultura ng Pilipinas.
Pero yung discography ng Alamat.
Yes, we love their songs. And
Escalade.
Ako, Apple the App or Al James.
Pwede.
Yeah. Para magbigay ng bagong flavor sa Beanie. And feeling ko dati kasi, music namin natin, parang, ay, biglang may Al James. Parang iniisip mo gano'n. Pero ngayon, parang feeling ko mas tumpak na kaya na So, ang cute lang. Parang sobrang different vibe talaga. So, shocking siya. If ever. Go lang. If ever.
If ever. Period.
Sorry. Ako din Alamat. Kasi friends po kami. So, madali na yung process if ever.
That bond just makes it happen easily.
Oo.
Sobrang galing nila mag-write ng songs and produce.
Yeah. Alamat discography is very just
Consistent.
top tier.
Consistent sila sa branding nila.
Oh. What can
Napanood mo ba
people
yun?
expect
Yung
in this
Maharani?
upcoming season
Oo,
of Coke
oo,
Studio?
oo, ano na si Jo?
Definitely po, meron po yung
Oo.
Coke Studio icons.
Inaasar nila si Jo.
Magkakasama in one stage. And we'll be there as well. So,
Yes.
look forward to it na lang po.
Hanapin nyo na lang po.
Hanapin nyo na lang po.
As season 10 of Coke Studio comes up, what advice would you give to the future performers taking the stage that you yourself would have loved to receive back when you started?
enjoy and trust the process. Kasi it can be very overwhelming at times nga and ang daming nangyayari. Pero if you just try to reach the flow state, you enjoy it, and then everything will fall into place. And then, di mo na lang mamalayan na parang you've gone through a lot na pala and you've learned a lot and you've grown a lot. So, just keep enjoying your craft.
Huwag mong i-base yung success sa numbers.
Exactly.
Kasi madali kang mapapagod kapag ganun. Kasi at first, hindi naman talaga lahat makikinig sa'yo agad-agad.
Yes.
So yun nga, patience, trust the process, and yung success hindi siya
It's
nadedepend
in what you want to do, what you want to
Yourself out
create,
there.
your craft.
Totoo.
Talagang
And
doon ka
be
mag-focus
cringe.
talaga.
To be cringe is to be great.
Yes!
Diba? Kasi yung iba parang,
God, kaya bias
parang ang
ka
cringe
siya.
naman yan. Pero kasi,
Joke.
parang I feel like if naging weird ka sa sarili mo, if naging weird ka sa mga tao, parang yun
that's
kasi
you
yung
being
totoo
true.
eh.
Oh!
Kasi hindi ka sumusunod sa standard ng ibang tao. Like, your standard is
Yes!
Ako din, I would like to add, have your own identity. Like, don't think that you have to follow someone or like, syempre it's nice to take inspiration and things like that.
But be unique.
You don't have to be the same exact type as that person. Kasi that's what's unique sa music nga. Iba-iba po lahat tayo. Kahit kami,
Your own
we're in a girl
flavor.
group, pero
Yes.
each and every one of us, we all have different attitudes. We all
Yes,
have different voice qualities.
Namin yung
And
individuality
that's
nila
what,
as a group.
your uniqueness nga,
Grabe.
kagaya sa nabi ni Ate Maloy, uniqueness will really get you na parang mas lulutang ka sa ibang artist.
Yes.
As season 10 of Coke Studio comes up, when people look back at this generation of Filipino pop music, what do you hope Beanie's role in that story will represent?
Tapos may ice cream.
Feeling ko, if music-wise, we hope people will remember Beanie as someone who is versatile, who is someone na hindi takot na mag-try ng ibang genres, ibang sound,
tell
ibang
them.
image. And kaya
Period.
sinabi ni Mika, grupo sila na hindi binox yung sarili nila sa standard na sinasabi ng ibang tao.
And very
Especially as
authentic.
idols. Di ba parang may gusto silang, may standard talaga sila for idols. So, ayun.
Sabihin,
Alam mo
hindi
yun
pwede.
yung nakikita
Malilimutan
natin
kasi
sila kung paano maging weird. Alam mo yun,
Tsaka
wala
hindi,
silang,
mawawala
wala
din kasi
silang
yung
masyadong
fire sa
pakalam
puso mo
kung
kapag
how
Very
people
authentic.
will
parang
perceive
malulos
them,
ka sa
kung
industry
ano
na
yung
ganito. So,
judgment ng
dapat
mga tao. Kasi
meron
it's
kang
them.
outlet na, alam niyo yung pwede kang maging ikaw talaga. Yan ang gusto naming baguhin.
Kaya nagustuhan
Yes.
ko din yung Beanie.
Which is super
Kasi
important
ganun sila
because we are in the
Very
Philippines and it
authentic.
should be a Filipino
Very
culture and
genuine.
definition of what this entire system is. So if that system is you getting to be exactly yourself and not having to put yourself in a box, that's what you're building. Let's go.
Yeah.
Do you have any last message or where you see Beanie being in the
Parang kanina
next
dito
5
lang
years?
tayo. Oo.
The next 5 years.
Next 5 years.
Bukod
Manifest.
po sa... Bukod po sa 30 years old na si Ate Ay. Grabe, salamat.
Oh my God!
Hala, tinatahin ka na. No?
Na 32 na ako.
Beanie, 5 years? Wait lang. Ako, I feel,
Madaming branch na
for
yung
sure
brew.
naman, magsasama pa rin.
Madaming branch na yung brew.
For sure din naman kanya yun eh. Parang lang niya din yun, branch niya din yun.
Magsasama at magsasama pa rin kami sa stage. And sana successful kami, not just as a group, but as Beanie Gwen, Beanie Stacy, Beanie Joanna, and kahit wala na yung Beanie sa pangalan namin. I mean, the rest is
And the rest is
history. Yun, sana yun maging successful kami kasi hindi lang sa music I mean, sa kung anong gusto
Individually,
talaga natin
yes.
after Beanie. Kasi for
Actress
sure
Jo?
magbabago at magbabago yan eh. Actually, yung gusto mo ngayon,
Songwriter
pwedeng iba rin
Colette?
after 5 years.
Model
So,
Gwen?
sana masaya kami kung nasan kami after 5
Artist
years.
Maloy?
And bukod sa masaya,
Dancer
Prodigy?
masaya pa rin kami after 5 years na mga tao. And kilala pa rin kami ng next
yes,
generation.
sana.
Sana pinapakinggan niyo
Mika
kaya
as,
yung mga
Business
pro
woman.
volleyball player.
Oh.
Or,
Yeah.
Gwen as model.
Yes. a
Victoria's
model.
Secret. Or, ano
Oh
yung
my God.
yung sikat na
Vogue.
Basta yung model, tas si Stacy parang model din na, or pwedeng flight attendant.
Oh my God.
kanta namin.
Last words for Coke Studio as a platform.
Coke Studio, you're the best! May energy. Oo, we love Coke Studio. Thank you po. Thank you for giving us the platform
Thank you for
to
giving
showcase
us
our talents.
beautiful music.
Thank you for trusting us since day
Studio.
one.
Yes, we love you, Coke Studio, and the Coke itself.
Yes,
hindi lang sa
Mika.
atin.
Kasi ever since they've been very open to other artists and welcoming. So sana patuloy lang po kayong ganon.
Yes.
Kasi we need that in this world.
Thank you
Yeah.
for believing
To more
in
seasons
every
with you.
artist.
Exactly, and putting this all together. Thank you to Coke Studio for being that platform that believes in new artists, that brings them forward and makes moments like this happen with artists like Beanie. We are hoping for more of that, and this has been Billboard Philippines Volumes with Beanie, of course. Thank you for today.
2, 3.
Thank you po.
Thank you for today.
Beanie.
2, 3.
Thank you po.
Yes.
And that Volumes episode is powered by Coke Studio.
Si Shin.
Billboard.
So, gusto ko talaga yung the way sila sumasagot sa mga interview.
Yes.
Hindi lang dito sa Billboard. Kasi, alam mo yun, kitang-kita mo yung the way sila sumagot. Sobrang smooth nila magsalita. And yung saluhan kapag ka kunwari, may nagbablank yung
parang,
head nila.
Parang kailangan push yung,
Oo.
yung kasi minsan, di ba, pag kami
May
sasabihin
mental
tayo.
block. Oo. So, gusto ko yung saluhan nila doon. And their fits, oh my God! Siguro nag-photoshoot sila doon or baka Coke MV or recording or let's see. Kasi sobrang, hindi naman pwedeng sa interview lang tong outfit na to. Parang,
yes,
alam mo
parang
yun?
masyadong
Yes.
pakak. Grabe,
And alam mo yun, yung makeup nila, yung visuals, oh my God. It's
Palong-palo ba? Palong-palo.
Chef
Grabe,
kiss.
alam mo yung grabe talaga yung paghatak ni Joanna eh. Kasi, kasi ako, bet ko yung long hair, parang wavy hair, gano'n. Kaya bet na bet ko si Mali. Kasi laging, long hair, may bangs, tas very cutesy yung, pananamit, girly. Tas si Joanna, mas girly na fierce,
Tapos,
gano'n. Like, parang, alam mo yun, she speaks woman empowerment.
yes,
sila.
best leader. Ganon yung Beanie.
Ko, ganon.
And, lagi mo pa napupul sa Jollibee si
Oo,
Joanna.
grabe. Like, what is this?
Is this
Is this destiny?
is this change bias?
Oo. Pero grabe talaga yung visuals nila. And not only they have beauty, they have brain.
Yes! That's what
Beauty
I'm
with
trying to
brain.
say. And, alam mo yun, like, every interview talaga, hindi nila nakakalimutan yung OPM. Kasi gusto nila
Never
lahat
nilang-
tumataas.
Never silang nag-ano na para sa kanila lang yung ginagawa nila. Alam
Yung
mo yun,
spotlight.
nandun sila para ipakilala sa ibang lugar, sa ibang bansa, sa buong mundo, kung anong kayang gawin ng Pilipinas, kung ano yung mga kanta ng mga Pilipino. Alam mo yun, nandun sila para sa atin,
Kasi,
hindi lang para sa kanila.
ayun nga, parang sabi din nila, hindi importante yung language kung hindi mo naintindihan. Kasi, di ba, kahit Korean tayo, nag-enjoy tayo eh. So, parang,
It's on how you feel.
oo,
kung paano
kung
ka.
nag-vibe ka dun sa music. Yes.
Yes. So that's it for today's video,
Thank you
guys.
so much for watching.
Please like and subscribe. Annyeong!
Eh.